Hey guys, Jacques for INKISH TV here again. And obviously there's also some chemistry involved in ink making. And I've come to the booth of KAO Chimigraf, and I'm talking to Daniel here, who will bring you a little bit up to speed what it's all about. Hi Daniel.
Hi Jacques.
Great to have you here on INKISH TV, and welcome.
Okay, nice. Thank you for coming, and nice to meet you and to receive you.
How has the show been so far for you guys?
Well, I have to say, after this, since the lockdown, we all were excited, and I can confirm that, even since the first day, a lot of visitors. We are really
pleased,
excited to receive all friends and new customers. I mean,
exactly, perfect.
Nice.
Well, as I said, the printing industry still is also a little bit of chemical usage of materials, raw materials. So you guys, KAO is well known for inkjet inks, for example, and for example, water-based is more and more upcoming, and more important about ecology and stuff. So tell us a little bit about first of all, when did you arrive at the company, and what do you bring to the table to make a better world in the printing terms?
Absolutely. Well, I have to say that since we joined KAO in last 2017, Chimigraf company was our main business in the packaging industry. Actually, we are flexo, water-based and solvent inks manufacturer. But since 2003, 2004, we started the Inkjet business. Mm-hmm. And we mainly were starting in this market, in signage and outdoor advertisement. We started with the UV inks, LED inks, and solvent and whatever. And since we joined KAO, we started to have access to these water-based Inkjet inks, which we now are really focusing to introduce in the market, because you know what? What makes a special KAO is KAO is not only an ink manufacturer company. It's a chemical company, and all the know-how we are getting from other business divisions, we are now applying in the what we call surface science. Mm-hmm. I mean, at the end we need to print in different surfaces.
As much as possible.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We are more introducing more and more in different industrial markets. We figure out that how important it is to the inks can print on different surfaces. So that's why we try to introduce different inks, water-based pigment inks for different applications. Here, that's something we bring new in this new FESPA 2023. All our, let's say, water-based pigment inks ink series based on the KAO's LunaJet technology. Mm-hmm. What's KAO's LunaJet?
What is the LunaJet technology?
Exactly. So the LunaJet is it's a KAO technology to design the polymer dispersion that encapsulates the pigment. That's what makes something really special KAO, because we know how to define or design this special polymer depending on the application we need, depending on the surface. So you can see many different samples that we have here. Is different kind of film, pouches, and so on. Also polystyrene components, leather, synthetic, natural leather, polycarbonates, and of course corrugate, textile, paper. Many different substrates that and of course PVC for signage.
Well, I was curious actually. I'm a printer. I have a lot of inkjet printers of all sorts of brands. We're not going into any particular brand. Can I just buy like a KAO cartridges and just bang them in the machines, or do I have to go with the branded products?
We are used in this specific market. We are used to work with partners that are offering the full package, because it's not only the inks. Mm-hmm. We are talking about special equipment. We're talking the inks, but also substrate, and at the end this needs to be a good printing product and also cost effective. So we are used to work with distributor sales channels for the signage and outdoor. Mm-hmm. And other industries and other markets, we are using different strategies. So we are used to, for instance, in the packaging industry, we are used to work directly with our customers. I mean, it's our main market. We know
your name is already established in those
exactly.
areas.
So it's depending on the market with different strategy, but we used to work with the many different partners, and also in the R&D, especially in the R&D phase of the development, we have a very good relationship with all main printhead manufacturers, of course, because it's
Yes.
that's when everything
your bread and
starts.
butter, yeah.
When
Yeah.
everything starts, so we need,
Sure.
of course, we know all of them. So
Yeah, yeah. Now, I guess you're the best person to ask this. I mean, yeah, a lot of noise the last couple of years. Everyone's looking at inkjet on all different types of applications, and so for you guys, how would you rate, like percentage-wise, the shift that is going from, let's say, yeah, the more conventional inked market to that inkjet ink market? Because, I mean, if you sell more ink, there will be more people doing applications on inkjet. So how do you see that?
that's a perfect question, Jack, because it's true that we compared 10 years ago almost that we started in some industrial markets. You can see that now is everybody is now is more real thing. I mean, you can find some production companies that are already having some printing lines, digital printing lines that are really in production. It's not only in the ceramic industry that we, 15 years ago. Now it's corrugator, deco, I mean, many different industries. So now it's more reality thing. I think there is no replacement completely from the digital to analog. Of course not. But of course there is a market niche specifically for the digital printers technology that now is perfect time to start using. And we are receiving a lot of demand of our, let's say, main customers on the analog side that are interested to introduce more and more the digital solution. Because all the advantage of the digital printers, everybody knows. But sizes become smaller. They need customization. They need more specific things, and they need at the end
ecology as well.
ecology, of course. And at the end, they need also to deliver some add value product, because as the times are now
tough,
and we all have to give something else to the market, and especially sustainability too.
Well, that's perfect, Daniel. Well, thank you for this little update on the ink side of our industry, and well, have a nice day, and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Jack.
Thank you.
guys.
See you soon.
See
Ciao.
you soon. Ciao.